अभी सिर्फ इन्होंने ग्राउंड और फर्स्ट फ्लोर बनाया है सैंपल. It is on plot number 8 and 9 on Drisha. You can see the glass lobby. It will be access controlled. This is the actual apartment. You can see the balcony is from here and this way. There is a French window. So same thing is this. This is the car parking. Again, you can see the road pavers, and this is like this. You can see the development on the ground. This is Drisha Pocket, and we are at Birla Navya. Sample is under construction. सर ये इधर क्लब होगा. इधर ये जो ग्रीन ग्रास दिख रही है ना, ये क्लब इस तरह से है. This is Amoda 2 and this is Amoda 1. These are terraces. ऊपर right now we are at the plot number 9 in Drisha. Here these under construction is going on for sample apartments. So basically they are actual sample apartments on actual plot. This is a plot number 8, this is plot number 9, and now we are going. So you can say the quality of, you will not find any low rise apartment lobby like this. You can compare it with any high rise. So this is all granite. There is the parking here. This is the glass lobby, which is, you can, this is lift number 1. This is the false ceiling. This is lift number 2. You can take any lift. So there is one compound of 2 plots and 8 apartments, 2 apartments per floor. So this is the staircase. You can see the width of the staircase. So this is the lift. This was the room number 1. This is living, quite big. Daikin VRV. Now we are going to the kitchen.
ये लेके चलना है ना, रखने के लिए. चलो आ जाओ.
This is chimney and hob, upper cabinets, lower cabinets. This is the utility balcony. This is the backyard. और ये आपको जो नीचे दिख रहा है, ये sunken courtyard है, सीधा बेसमेंट के लिए, एयर के लिए. So kitchen is quite big. toughened glass and stainless steel railing. And this balcony is fully covered. This is like a deck. You can see the quality of the glass and aluminum used. You can see the wooden tiles. This is actually a tile in a wooden color. This is for second room. See the wardrobes. Washroom. PRV. Towards the third bedroom. This is the see the ceiling height. Actually, it is an actual apartment on a plot जो बनेगा. ये अलग से नहीं बनाया है. So this is a blower of VRV air conditioning. आपके पूरे घर की एक यूनिट है जो कि छत पे टेरेस पे होगी. You can see कितनी जगह है बेड आने के बाद भी. And these are tinted glasses. You can see the quality. So this is the facade. It's very neat and clean facade. This is the utility balcony. Back side. This is the master bedroom. Laminated wooden flooring. This is a French window. Saying outside. This is the deck balcony which is attached to this. And it is also fully covered. Toughened glass essentially. So ये जो wall आपको सामने है, wall is for the walk-in closet. This is for walk-in closet. Gate यहाँ पे होगा. And this is the walk-in closet in master bedroom. You can see Chinaware is of Kohler or equivalent. From here the master bedroom starts. This is walk-in closet. And this is master bedroom. We are in the market near Birla Navya and Adani Samsara. So this is Sham Emporium. This is Barista. Close rental. That is Subway. So you can see salon. Honeymoney top. Raymond shop, the gym, Dade Basic, pharmacy, Bablo, green chip shop, Clove Dental, there is Deep Sweets. So nearby आपके अपार्टमेंट आने से पहले सारी चीज़ें रेडी हैं. This commercial is by Paras.